If you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then first of all we need to go to Gallery. Now over here in Gallery you want to open the photo that you wish to use as a wallpaper. So let's say I'm gonna choose this photo over here. Next you want to tap on these three dots that we have in the bottom right corner, and then you should be able to find Set as Wallpaper. We're gonna use this option. Then we have the preview on the lock screen. You can actually move with two fingers to the left, to the right, up and down. You can also zoom in and zoom out if you want to. And then once you adjust it, you can also go, of course, to the home screen, and you can, for example, toggle the blur effect if you want to. Then tap on Apply in the upper right corner. You might see this option to use the wallpaper carousel. In my case, I'm gonna tap on Don't Agree. And that's all you have to do in order to set the photo as the wallpaper. There we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.